The Dispatch add-in for SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional can be used to automate regular tasks for users. Let's take a look at what it can do. The Dispatch add-in can automate the process of renaming a file using a variable value, setting file variables, validating variables on data cards when adding or checking in a file, renumbering files, and triggering external programs. All of this and more can be done using the Dispatch add-in for PDM Professional. But what is Dispatch? Dispatch is a simple scripting tool that allows the creation of actions which can then be triggered. These can be triggered on a right-click command, when workflow states of a file are changed, when a file is checked in or out, or when a file is first added to a PDM vault. It can process a single file or a set of selected files, carrying out a series of tasks on each file in turn, and can process multiple configurations if there's more than one configuration in a file. Dispatch can read values from a file's data card and use file and system information from PDM. This information can include vault name, file paths, the logged in PDM user, file version, workflow state, time and date information, and more. Dispatch can also read values from the Windows registry and use the values of Windows environment variables such as logged in Windows username. Dispatch actions can interact with the user with a variety of simple dialog boxes, allowing the user to confirm information, enter information, or to select from a drop-down list. Would you like to fully unlock the power of the Dispatch add-in? Our PDM Professional Foundation implementation contains utilities created using Dispatch, and we can create bespoke Dispatch actions for you as consultancy. If you'd like to learn more about the capabilities of the PDM Dispatch add-in and learn how to create your own Dispatch actions, then please ask for information about our Dispatch training course, which will take you through the process of creating your own Dispatch actions from scratch. For more information on the PDM Dispatch add-in, or to book a free demonstration, visit our website or click the link below.